One guy had planted this resounding no. And it wasn't unlucky. He was greedy, he was selfish, he was capitalist. Overthrow this man. And thank God.
Hand me another one.
No, get down there and get that one.
John Basic continued reaching out to women through a website called Prisoner. His ex-wife, Desiree, called to complain, and the website later removed his name. That's all for this edition of Dateline on ID.
Good boy. Good boy, boy. Uh-oh. I think we've lost it. Nope. Come here.
Kind and lovely Southern Belle, a teacher who was also a beauty.
Good kitty, kitty.
A wonderful life, except for one thing. Among her many admirers, a young man who would not leave her alone.
You don't want to bring it all the way.
Well, they don't want to get close to the computer. Stay down there with him.
Oh, that's a good newt. That's a good newt. Uh-oh, too soon. Well, no, here we go.
Different.
Uh-oh, distracted. Come here. Come here, Newton. Something cute. Oh, wait. Come here, Newt. Come on. Oh, Newt's a good boy. Good boy, Newt. Oh, I think we're done. Is that it, Newt? Nope.
You didn't lose it.
Newt! Get a Newt! You're gonna let me go get that, aren't you? Gotta share in this, don't you? Here you go.
Computer's messing him up.
Yeah, it is. That was a good one.
You can send this to Jordan.
Okay, gee. Forget Jordan, this is going nationwide.
Worldwide.
Worldwide. Oh no, that's not good.
What?
He went the other way, so the camera couldn't see him. Oh, I wish I could have caught that. I think we're done.
Yeah, he's done.
Yeah.
He's tired.